Don't forget to subscribe the channel hitting the bell icon. Here we will start by boiling 1 liter of full fat milk. By full fat milk we mean that the milk contains about 6% of fat. Here we have taken cow milk. The richness and the softness of your paneer totally depends upon the fat content of the milk. As the milk comes to a boil, let's keep the heat to a low and add to it 2 tablespoons of vinegar, or you can even add fresh lemon juice to it. Cover it up and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. As you can now see, the milk has curdled, the water has separated out. By any chance, if it doesn't curdle because of high fat content in the milk, you can repeat the process again. Let's now separate out the whey water with the help of a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth. This whey water contains lots of nutritional value in itself. You can reuse this water to curdle milk next time instead of using vinegar or lemon, or you can even use it to make the dough. Let's now thoroughly rinse the cottage cheese with clean water once to twice to get rid of any vinegar odor or lemon odor from it, or you can directly put the sack under running tap water. Be careful not to over squeeze it or squeeze it with a light hand. Let the excess water drip out itself. To do that, let's place the sack in a sieve and put a light weight over it. After about an hour, you will notice a little bit more of water has dripped out and our paneer is ready. You can store it wrapped in a wet cloth in the refrigerator not more than a week. From 1 liter of milk, we got here about 250 grams of paneer. Thanks for watching the video. See you with another video tutorial. Till then, keep healthy, enjoy cooking, and bye-bye.